If you're looking to get stronger so that you can start working on more challenging moves like the planche push-up or the handstand push-up, well then this is how you should be training the standard push-up. Let's break it down. First off, elbows in, shoulders pulled down. Keeping your elbows pulled in with your shoulders pulled down will engage your lats more and stabilize your shoulders. And this is going to equate to a structurally stronger platform. This is going to help you to be able to work up to those moves like the planche push-up and the handstand push-up, but without wrecking your shoulders. You might think that your shoulders are just fine and you should flare your elbows because that hits your tris and your chest, right? Well, that elbow flare usually leads to shoulder shrug as you get tired. And that's going to cause strain on the shoulders and is a weak position structurally. And if you're only looking to pump your pecs and your tris, well, we have a better exercise for that. Check out the link. Hand placement is also important so that you don't flare your elbows. Keep your fingers facing forward or even turn them out slightly to a 45-degree angle. My elbows naturally pulled inward as I turn my fingers. This 45-degree angle will also help if you have wrist or elbow issues. Push-ups will teach you how to use your entire body in a coordinated way, as long as you don't let your hips drop. The best way to keep that from happening is to squeeze your entire body. Yeah, it's gonna feel like the push-up just became a lot harder, and the reason for that is because it is. And that's a good thing. And that's because it's forcing you to get stronger, but in a way that's not going to mess you up. Keeping your elbows in, shoulders pulled down, fingers slightly turned out, and your entire body tight not only leads to you being able to train more challenging movements, but also continue to train for a really long time. Exactly what you'll find in our Integral Strength program. Check out the links to Integral Strength and other push-up variations in the description below.